Greetings, it's MaxoDiddly here, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a bubble sort in Java. So let's get right into it. So what is a bubble sort? Well, a bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly going through a list of items, comparing items that are next to each other, and swapping them if they are in the wrong order. So let's get into how we're going to code it. So firstly, in our main method, we have a data array full of integers. We've got a bunch of unsorted values and we want to sort them in order. Then we've got system.println arrays.toString data array. So we're going to be printing this data array to the console. Then we're going to do data array equals bubble sort data array. This is going to be us calling our bubble sort function and sorting the data. And then we do system.println arrays.toString data array again to print the sorted data. So make sure you import java.util.arrays because we'll be needing this so we can print out the arrays without using a for loop. So we've got a public static int array, bubble sort int array r. So this is going to return an integer array, which is going to be a sorted array. The function is called bubble sort because we're going to be doing a bubble sort. And the one parameter we need to pass in is going to be the array we want to sort. So firstly, we want to do int len equals r.length. We are going to be getting the length of the array because we'll be needing this a few times. Next, we are going to be doing a for loop. For int I equals 0, I less than len minus 1 and I plus plus. So we're going to be iterating through every element of this array. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be doing another for loop. And it's going to be inside our other for loop, making this a nested loop. So we do for int j equals 0, j less than len minus I minus 1, and j plus plus. So what are we doing? Well, we're doing this because we're going to be using this in a for loop to iterate over unsorted parts of the array, where len is the length of the array, and I is the current iteration of the outer loop. During each iteration of the inner loop, elements that are next to each other are compared and potentially swapped to move larger elements towards the end of the array. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do an if statement with a swap function inside. So we're going to do if rj is greater than rj plus 1. Basically, is the element we're currently checking greater than the next element in the array? If it is, we need to swap them because they're in the wrong order. So we do int temp equals rj, then we do rj equals rj plus 1, rj plus 1 equals temp. So this is just a swap function. We are just going to be swapping rj and rj plus 1. So we put rj in for temp, rj then is equal to the value we want it to be, and then rj plus 1 is then equal to the temp. If you want to know more about swapping stuff in Java using arrays, click the eye up in the corner. After that for loop, we do return r because we've sorted the array and we want to return that to every call for code. So that's it. Let's save our work and then hit play. As you can see, it's sorted the data. We can even have multiple elements with the same value and this will still work. So, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed and subscribe for more Java tutorials.